Welcome to our comparison between solar chargers and power banks. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the pros and cons of each device and help you determine which is the best option for you. If you're looking for a sustainable and eco-friendly option, a solar charger may be the best choice for you. If you need a fast and convenient way to charge your devices, a power bank may be the better option. Now, let's start the video. A solar charger is a device that converts sunlight into electrical energy, which can be used to charge your devices. A power bank, on the other hand, is a portable battery that stores electrical energy, which can be used to charge your devices when you're on the go. One of the biggest advantages of solar chargers is that they are eco-friendly and sustainable. They don't use any fuel or produce any emissions, which makes them a great option for those who are concerned about the environment. Solar chargers are also very portable, and they can be used to charge your devices anywhere that you have access to sunlight. One of the biggest drawbacks of solar chargers is that they are dependent on the availability of sunlight. If you're traveling in an area with limited sunlight, or if you're trying to charge your device in the evening or on a cloudy day, you may not be able to use a solar charger. Solar chargers also tend to be slower than power banks, and they may not be able to fully charge your device in a single day. One of the biggest advantages of power banks is that they are very convenient. They can be used to charge your devices anywhere, regardless of the availability of sunlight. Power banks also tend to be faster than solar chargers, and they can often fully charge your device in a single charge. Power banks are also generally more compact and lightweight than solar chargers, which makes them easier to carry around with you. One of the biggest drawbacks of power banks is that they require charging before they can be used. This means that you will need to find a power source to charge your power bank, which can be a challenge if you're traveling in a remote area. Power banks also have a limited number of charge cycles, and they will eventually need to be replaced. Capacity and output. When choosing between a solar charger and a power bank, it's important to consider the capacity and output of each device. The capacity of a solar charger or power bank is measured in milliampere hours, and it indicates how much energy the device can store. The output of a solar charger or power bank is measured in watts, and it indicates how fast the device can charge your devices. In summary, both solar chargers and power banks have their pros and cons, and the best option for you will depend on your needs and preferences. It's important to consider the capacity and output of each device, as well as the conditions under which you will be using it, to determine which is the best choice for you. We are almost wrapping up. These are the common differences between these two. Hope you like this video. Please comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos.